Here is a beginner-level Operations Manager quiz that covers process optimization, resource management, and performance monitoring and KPIs. Let's go! The process of analyzing workflows to identify inefficiencies and enhance productivity is known as A. Process optimization, B. Business forecasting, C. Strategic planning, and D. Market research. The answer is process optimization. Question 2. Which of the following is a primary goal of resource management? A. Reducing staff workload. B. Ensuring optimal use of available resources. C. Cutting all operational costs. And D. Increasing paperwork. The answer is ensuring optimal use of available resources. Question 3. Which KPI measures how efficiently a company turns inputs into outputs? A. Net profit margin. B. Employee satisfaction rate. C. Operational efficiency ratio. And D. Market share. The answer is operational efficiency ratio. Question 4. A method used to identify and eliminate waste in a process is called A. Six Sigma, B. Job rotation, C. Benchmarking, and D. Organizational restructuring. The answer is Six Sigma. Question 5. The metric used to measure the overall effectiveness of a business operation is called A. Return on investment, ROI, B. Process cycle time, C. Customer retention rate, and D. Break-even analysis. The answer is process cycle time. Question 6. What is the primary objective of resource allocation? A. To reduce the number of employees. B. To eliminate team meetings. C. To increase business expenses. And D. To balance workload and prevent underutilization or overutilization. The answer is to balance workload and prevent underutilization or overutilization. Question 7. Which approach is used to continuously improve operations by making small, incremental changes? A. Lean management. B. Crisis management. C. Workforce downsizing. And D. Merger and acquisition. The answer is lean management. Question 8. A key indicator used to track the percentage of tasks completed on time is called A. Customer retention rate, B. On-time delivery rate, C. Market growth rate, and D. Break-even point. The answer is on-time delivery rate. Question 9. Which metric is used to measure employee productivity? A. Revenue per employee, B. Net working capital, C. Cost of goods sold, and D. Customer acquisition cost. The answer is revenue per employee. Question 10. What is the purpose of performance monitoring in operations management? A. To punish employees who don't meet targets. B. To track and improve business efficiency and productivity. C. To increase the workload on employees. And D. To cut the company's workforce. The answer answer is to track and improve business efficiency and productivity. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which of the following is not a key aspect of process optimization? A. Identifying bottlenecks. B. Reducing unnecessary steps. C. Increasing operational waste. And D. Automating repetitive tasks. The answer is increasing operational waste. Question 12. A performance metric that compares actual output to planned output is known as A. Productivity ratio, B. Customer churn rate, C. Market capitalization, and D. Risk assessment. The answer is productivity ratio. Question 13. The process of adjusting workload to ensure tasks are evenly distributed is called A. Market expansion, B. Resource underutilization, C. Capacity planning, and D. Asset depreciation. The answer is capacity planning. Question 14. Which KPI is used to measure the percentage of operational tasks completed within a set time? A. Employee turnover rate, B. Gross profit margin, C. Brand awareness index, and D. Service level agreement, SLA, compliance. The answer is Service Level Agreement SLA compliance. Question 15. Which method is commonly used to allocate resources effectively in an organization? A. Project scheduling, B. Financial auditing, C. Customer feedback surveys, and D. Competitor benchmarking. The answer is project scheduling. Question 16. A major challenge in performance monitoring is A. Having too many employees, B. Lack of real-time data and accurate reporting, C. Reducing salaries, and D. Avoiding technological advancements. The answer is lack of real-time data and accurate reporting. Question 17. Which metric is used to track the amount of time taken to complete a process or task? A. Cycle time, B. Market share, C. Revenue growth rate, and D. Employee absenteeism. The answer is cycle time. Question 18. Which of the following strategies can improve resource management? A. Avoiding software tools, B. Ignoring employee concerns, C. Using workload balancing techniques, and D. Reducing team collaboration. The answer is using workload balancing techniques. Question 19. Which metric measures the ratio of productive time to total available time? A. Utilization rate, B. Net promoter score, C. Sales conversion rate, and D. Expense to revenue ratio. The answer is utilization rate. Question 20. A performance management tool used to measure multiple aspects of business operations is called A. Tax compliance sheet, B. Net income statement, C. Business forecasting report, and D. Balanced scorecard. The answer is balanced scorecard. How many did you get right? comment below and subscribe for more.